skills to become a photographer. You need to be likable, need to have tenacity, staying power is essential, attention to detail obviously, creativity. If you can't be creative, then you can't be a brilliant photographer, although a lot of people do think they can be a photographer. Creativity can be learnt, and I'll explain that. Patience is a virtue. Management of your assets and of your clients. Organisation, imperative that you have organised abilities to get by on a shoot. And friendly and easy to get on with. So let me just dive into those a little bit deeper. Nothing at all will come too easy. You've got to be tenacious. You've got to stick to the knitting. You've got to keep on going out there, driving home, looking for clients, looking for opportunities, looking for skills. Be tenacious in your approach to what you do. Staying power. Because of your tenacity, you've got to have some staying power. There's nothing worse than trying to go for something, it doesn't happen. You could easily just drop off the wayside. But staying power, stay in the game, stick to the knitting and stay in the game. Whatever comes your way, good or bad, you've got to move through that to get to where you want. That end goal, if you can see that end goal, just carry on with it. Forget everything that goes on the side. Attention to detail. If you can't use these to see what's going on in a picture, then don't bother. You can't rely on your team all of the time. A stylist might leave a label. Just on that, I was looking at my social media yesterday, not yesterday, the day before, showing somebody, say, oh, I really love this picture. And it's a guy in the outfit and he's spinning around, showing all the beautiful inside of the coat. And lo and behold, on my social media, I posted a picture and you can see the label. That's not attention to detail. Now I'll have to take that picture down, even though it's been up for 2 years. Take it down and re-edit it. Attention to detail. Make sure you look for the smallest of things. Hair for styling. Hairstyling can be something that ruins your pictures. Makeup, put on badly, bad foundation, coming out orange on screen. Attention to the clothing, you know, belts, shoelaces, little things in the pictures. They can be edited out, but why would you want to spend or take time to edit out those pictures when you can get it right the first time? And focus down. You are the lead person in that business. Make sure that you look for the attention to detail and your clients will revere you for that. Creativity. How can you not be creative? You've got to be creative in what you do. Now, I genuinely believe that you can learn to be a creative person by following the roots of other people's. You can model other people's creativity. And what I mean by that is you can see what they're doing and try and interpret it. And it won't happen straight away, but it will come over a period of time. Keep on learning to be creative. Keep on trying to do things. Look for a creative edge in what you've got. Creativity is key. I've got to admit, sometimes my creativity does wane and goes off the radar, but you have to come back on. You use that ability to be creative and you get that from inspiration from other people. So be creative. Patience is a virtue. If you're not patient, how can you expect anything to happen? Because nothing's going to happen on Monday and probably nothing on a Friday, nothing this month, next month or the month after, but you just got to make sure that you're patient. Patience is a virtue, both on shoots with clients, getting the money in, invoicing, whatever it is, make sure you're patient and don't get aggressive over not being a patient person. And of course, another important aspect is management. Management. You have to manage your accounts. You have to manage your business. You have to manage your clients. You have to manage it on a shoot. You know, emotional intelligence is needed to be a great manager. You know, if you're dealing with people, which you are, and you might be dealing with, on the shoot, 26 people, when you're the photographer at the front of the team and the buck stops with you, you have to manage the people that aren't doing what you want. Lighting, assistant, clothing, production, even talking to the client, you have to manage the client's expectations. Management and management abilities is key. And there's a couple of books. There's the E-Myth you can have a look at, and there's the 1 Minute Manager, or emotional intelligence. Having an emotional intelligence around management is key. Feeling empathy for the people that you're working with as well is really good. Organisation is the next thing. So if you can organise things, then you're great. A lot of the shoots take organisation, although if you work in production and agents and things like that, they'll pretty much do a lot of the organising for you, and you'll turn up on the day and just give it a go. But if you're working on your own, or you're working starting off, or you're not quite at that stage yet, then having an organised mind and an organised business is a great way forward. The business of photography and being organised in the business of photography is a key thing to do. So get organised. If you're not organised, learn how to be organised. There's plenty of self-help books out there that'll get you organised. Equipment on the shoot. Are you organised? Where are your lenses? How's it going to map it? Organisation is key. And the last one that I really think is a great thing for people to do is to be friendly. Just be friendly and engaging with, you know, even if you're like the duck on water and underneath all this is going on, your legs are kicking, you're all stressed, you just got to be nice and friendly. Be friendly on camera. Be happy. You know, behind the scenes, they're going to see the pictures of you, be happy. Your model is going to want to see you being happy, because as soon as you show stress and emotion that's not good, it's going to bring the shoot down.